This video is for those who have a Flipper Zero hacker gadget. Here are two main stable and stable websites to visit and download the latest Q Flipper Zero firmware, along with Flipper Zero Momentum firmware. Also visit the Flipper Lab website for some really cool Flipper Zero apps. There are many to choose from. But for starters, let's go to the official Flipper Zero website and download and install Q Flipper for the Flipper Zero hacker gadget. You can click the website links in this video's description to directly go to these Flipper Zero websites. Please thoroughly take the time to browse these Flipper Zero websites so you can fully understand how to operate your Flipper Zero hacker gadget like a boss. Also, there are plenty of Flipper Zero videos on how to operate the Flipper Zero hacker gadget device right at your fingertips. After you download and install Q Flipper on your computer, you can then download and install Flipper Zero Momentum firmware for the Flipper Zero. Please note, you must download and install Q Flipper first, and then download and install Flipper Zero Momentum firmware. After that, you can visit and download all kinds of Flipper Zero apps on Flipper Lab. All three websites are clean and stable. I sternly recommend them for the Flipper Zero. Next, have fun with your Flipper Zero hacker gadget device.